Hello guys, today in this video we are going to deploy Prince MDX of Railway for free. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, open the link from the description of this repository, start and forget, then simply scroll down and click on pair code. If you want to scan QR, then simply click on scan QR code, and if you want to pair through code, then simply click on get pair code. Now link your device for session ID. I have already done it, so I will go to the next step, railway. You will receive a session ID like this, copy it. Now come to railway.com and simply click on new, and then GitHub repository, and from there simply select your Prince MDX repository. Our deployment is started. Now we will add variables. Click on Prince MDX and then the variables. Add only one variable, session-id. And then value paste your session ID here, and then add, and simply click on deploy. Our new deployment is now started, so we will wait. Our bot is successfully deployed. Now we will check our WhatsApp. So once you receive this message, your bot is now ready to use. This message will take 2 to 3 minutes after deployment. And there is one issue in this bot, maybe the menu will not show in your personal chat. It will work on other chat, I think. Maybe it will be fixed by the developer in next update. So subscribe the channel, and next video will be on bug bot.